Welcome back to Truth Discovery. Today we're diving into a game-changing topic. Could the Philippines become the world's next oil superpower? This isn't clickbait, there's real potential here. We've uncovered 10 powerful reasons why the Philippines could rise as a major oil player. Imagine the economic boom, the global impact. This could reshape the region. Ready to have your mind blown? Let's jump in. Reason number 1. The Philippines' strategic location. It sits at the heart of Southeast Asia, right along some of the world's busiest shipping lanes. This isn't just about beautiful beaches. It's about being a natural hub for energy transport. The Philippines is perfectly positioned to supply energy-hungry neighbors like China, Japan, and South Korea. Lower transportation costs and faster delivery times make it a prime spot for oil trade. Imagine massive tankers docking, refineries buzzing, and pipelines connecting the region, all centered in the Philippines. This isn't just about selling oil, it's about becoming a key player in the Southeast Asian energy network. Its location could mean new ports, expanded infrastructure, and a surge in economic activity. The South China Sea is already a major route for global oil shipments, and the Philippines is right in the mix. If it taps its own reserves, it can plug directly into existing global markets. This reduces barriers to entry and makes exporting oil much more feasible. The country's geography is a launchpad for energy dominance. With the right moves, the Philippines could become indispensable to regional energy security. That's the power of its placement. Reason number 2. Untapped offshore reserves. The West Philippine Sea could hold billions of barrels of oil and trillions of cubic feet of natural gas. Scientific studies point to massive potential, especially in areas like the Reed Bank. If even a fraction of these reserves are realized, the Philippines could transform from importer to major producer. Other offshore basins, Sulu Sea, Palawan, Visayas, also show promise. The country is surrounded by underexplored territory, each survey bringing new hope. Unlocking these resources could mean energy independence and a huge boost to government revenue. This wealth could fund infrastructure, education, and healthcare. The challenge is confirming and extracting these reserves, especially in deep water. But with advancing technology, what was once impossible is now within reach. The ocean's depths may hold the key to the Philippines' future. Even partial success would be nation-changing. The potential is real and it's massive. The Philippines could be sitting on a black gold mine. Reason number 3. Government action. The Philippine government is actively pushing to develop its oil and gas sector. New policies and incentives are attracting international investment and making exploration more appealing. Petroleum service contracts now offer better terms and clearer regulations, reducing investor risk. The Department of Energy is streamlining processes and marketing exploration blocks to global players. Fiscal terms are being improved to balance national benefit with investor appeal. There's also a focus on local participation, ensuring Filipinos benefit directly. The government's proactive stance is creating real momentum. By rolling out the red carpet for investors, the Philippines is signaling it's open for business. This commitment is a huge step toward oil superpower status. Reason number 4. Foreign investment is heating up. Major international oil companies are eyeing the Philippines. These firms don't invest lightly. They see real potential in the country's reserves. Several are already involved in studies or have signed contracts for exploration. Their interest is a strong vote of confidence in the Philippines' prospects. Offshore oil projects require massive capital, and the willingness to invest signals belief in big rewards. Government reforms are making the country more attractive, drawing in global expertise and technology. This isn't just about money, it's about building local capacity and know-how. Every new partnership adds credibility to the Philippines' oil ambitions. The influx of foreign interest is a critical ingredient for success. The smart money is moving in. Reason number 5. Technology is changing the game. New drilling and exploration tech is making it possible to access oil in places once thought unreachable. Advanced seismic imaging allows companies to pinpoint oil and gas reservoirs with incredible accuracy. Modern rigs can operate in deeper waters and harsher conditions, perfect for the Philippines' offshore prospects. Techniques like horizontal and directional drilling maximize output and minimize environmental impact. Subsea processing systems make even smaller or remote finds economically viable. Artificial intelligence and big data are optimizing exploration and production. For the Philippines, starting with the latest tech means a faster, safer path to oil production. Technology is turning potential into reality. The barriers are falling, and the opportunities are growing. The future is now. Reason number 6, surging domestic demand. The Philippines' growing economy and population means skyrocketing energy needs. Relying on imports is costly and risky. Developing local oil sources is a top priority. Producing its own oil could save billions, stabilize prices, and boost energy security. More local production means more reliable electricity, cheaper fuel, and a better quality of life. Meeting domestic demand would be a huge win, even before considering exports. The country's development goals are tied directly to energy availability. Reducing import dependency insulates the economy from global shocks. A strong domestic market provides a foundation for the oil industry. The Philippines isn't just looking for oil to sell, it needs oil to grow. That's a powerful motivator. Reason number 7, regional partnerships. The Philippines is working with neighbors to unlock shared energy resources. Joint development agreements can turn disputed waters into zones of cooperation and prosperity. Collaborating with countries that have mature oil industries brings valuable expertise and infrastructure. Regional projects like the ASEAN power grid show the benefits of working together. Integrating Philippine oil into these networks could boost energy security for all. Partnerships also strengthen the country's negotiating power with global investors. Teamwork can accelerate progress and reduce risks. In Southeast Asia, collaboration is key to energy success. Reason number 8, economic diversification. Oil could add a powerful new engine to the Philippine economy. Revenue from oil sales can fund infrastructure, education, and healthcare, building a stronger nation. The industry creates jobs not just on rigs but across logistics, engineering, and services. A robust oil sector means less reliance on remittances and foreign aid. Fiscal autonomy gives the country more control over its future. Success in oil attracts further investment in other sectors. Managing oil wealth wisely can secure prosperity for generations. Diversification makes the economy more resilient to shocks. Oil is more than a resource, it's a catalyst for national growth. The impact could be transformative. Reason number 9, a skilled young workforce. The Philippines boasts high literacy and strong technical education. Many Filipinos already have skills in maritime and engineering, perfect for oil and gas. The country's adaptability and eagerness to learn are huge assets. Specialized training programs can quickly build industry expertise. Overseas Filipino workers with oil experience may return home, bringing world-class skills. This brain gain could jumpstart the industry. Investing in people ensures long-term success. The workforce is ready to power the oil boom. Human capital is the Philippines' secret weapon. Reason number 10. Infrastructure is taking shape. The Philippines is upgrading ports, refineries, and transport networks. Expanded ports are vital for offshore oil operations and exports. Refining capacity may need to grow, but there's already a solid foundation. Improved roads and railways support the entire supply chain. Government initiatives like Build, Build, Build are creating a more business-friendly environment. Specialized infrastructure, pipelines, oil terminals will follow as production ramps up. The groundwork is being laid for a large-scale oil industry. Every new project brings the country closer to energy independence. Infrastructure is the backbone of the oil boom. The pieces are falling into place. There you have it. 10 reasons the Philippines could become the next oil superpower. From strategic location and untapped reserves to government support and a skilled workforce, the potential is real. This isn't just about oil, it's about national development and a brighter future. The world is watching as the Philippines gears up for a possible energy revolution. What do you think? Could the Philippines become a major oil producer? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching Truth Discovery. See you next time.